Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's jump into the watch me practice. America, I am so sorry I'm late. Oh my, oh, she's on island time. That's why she's late. I'm sorry. So you guys, I double tipped on stilettos. Yes, it's possible. Okay, so this glitter I'm using, I mixed it myself using Mia Secret Clear, and I'm using my Model Ones number 8 brush, the Mia Secret monomer. We are gonna do a 3-way glitter blend. Okay, can we give America their colors? Yes, we can. Yes, we will. Especially since I'm late. Oh my gosh. What the heck was she doing? I don't know. Okay, so this is Mia Secret White, French white obviously, mixed in with a bit of clear, some pigments I got from AliExpress. There is a good bit of sparkly shimmer in there. Was it enough? I don't think it was enough. No. So in the end, I ended up having to blend it with a bit of glitter that I picked up from a local nail supply store to really make it pop. So what I want you to do for me in the comments is let me know how you spent your 4th of July while I was over here slacking off, not getting this video done. The heck is wrong with me? So, dipped into a bit of clear, a little bit of glitter, bam. And I even went back and did a whitewash of the same white just because that was a little bit too much. It was silver and I thought it was gonna be white and it didn't go off white, so. Okay. So far so good with the blends, right? What's making me nervous? This red, because, oh my gosh, don't take over the white red. Don't do that. So I had to go on with small beads. I had to be really careful. I was like, spread it, blend, pull, push. Ooh, big hexy, no. And it worked out. It did. Yes. Okay, so this glitter 3-way blend is going to be the base for all the good stuff. Okay, because I'm excited for this. This nail art is something I've been wanting to try, and I've been terrified because I'm like, if you screw it up, you have to put it out there for YouTube to see. So really, I think I didn't know what to do, and what I wanted to do, I was scared to do, so that's why this video was late. Excuses. Will you accept them? No, America. Don't do that. She late. Okay, so I'm clapping. No, I'm not clapping. I am capping. Girl, get it together. Okay, it's 2 a.m. over here. Okay, I am clear capping with Mia Secret's Clear. I kept this in because this is a long freaking nail. My son walks over, he was like, that is the longest nail I have ever seen. And I was like, but look at these beads. They're good. Wherever you are, if you are awake and you're a beginner, give yourself a clap, stand up, twerk. Is someone watching? Twerk harder if they are. Dayananda, this is why you twerking. We are getting it out here. Okay, us beginners. Okay, so getting closer to that cuticle area. So what do we want to do? Point that finger downward if you weren't already, because you're gonna flood the cuticle if you don't. And then you want to pat, pull. Make sure you go back to that cuticle. Make sure it's nice and flush. Do you see me tucking my brush just under the cuticle area? Okay, now here's this nail art that we're gonna tackle. What is it? It is a hat. I think it's Uncle Sam's hat. I don't know enough about America to get this right or wrong, but I hope that it is. So here's how we're gonna construct this. First of all, we're going in with some Gershon white polygel because I am not brave enough to try to, not with no acrylic. So I have coated my Gershon polygel brush in base coat, and I am using this nail form, and I am just patting and following that line at the top, right? That's gonna be our guideline. And then I'm gonna tuck it in at the sides, pull it down a little bit, and that last line at the bottom, that's gonna be our guideline at the bottom. So here you have the top of the hat and basically the rim, I'm not sure what they call it, but right where, you know, that part that just sits over your head and it's fitted to you so the cap doesn't fall past your eyes. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm smoothing out that surface as much as I can. I will slightly curve the form and boom, pop it in there for a full 60-second cure. okay? So, you can't really see, but it's slightly curved. So now I'm going over the surface. I'm smoothing it out. I'm also rounding off those edges. And once I'm done, I dust it off, I set it to the side. Because now we need to get the rim. We need to get the rim of the hat. Okay, so I'm using that little circle, and I figure if I follow that circle's edge around the side where it's more like an oval, that's the rim of the hat. So I just start following that circle, and here I go out of shot. What is she doing? She's already late, girl. Get back into frame. Okay. I've spread it, right? And then I'm sort of just like curving it out on either like top or whatever, because that top part right there is going to be right where that hat is going to sit in that little. Do you see what I'm going? You see the vision? You do. So I've cured it, and all these wrinkles came in. So all I did was fill it in with polygel, cure it again, dispersion layer removed with swipe, and then boom. Not sanding back, but diamond drill bit to the rescue. And this is the one that you guys be throwing away when y'all get y'all drill, and it comes with those not so expensive bits, and I keep those. I don't know what y'all be throwing them out for, but I keep them. Okay, so hat is done. We are going in with Model 1's solid gel cream number 5 in a beautiful royal blue, and this is going to be the blue that's popping off at the bottom of that hat. So I feel like I should insert another photo here. Should I? Okay, I will, so just you can see where we're going with this. So I'm outlining this with my liner brush first. It's like a typical French. And once I got that line, I'm gonna start filling that in. And I'm gonna do 2 coats. I'm gonna do 2 coats because for some reason I watered it down with top coat because I didn't want it to be so thick, and in that sense it became a bit more translucent, and I was like, no, I don't want that, so I ended up having to do 2 coats. Anyway, it worked out. In between coats, I cure for a full 60 seconds. Essentially, I can even cure for like 2 minutes just because it's solid cream. Now let's go to the rim of the hat. This is a color from Born Pretty. It's called Fine Love. This is their gel paint. It is boy, hush, I'm already late. Damn. No support. And I do a full cover, and I cure this for a full 60 seconds, and then boom, I'm about to matte top coat this. The entire hat is gonna be matte top coat. So I know how gel polish has that sticky layer. I top coated that sucker and pushed it aside, because did I mention I am late for work? I don't know how y'all ain't fired me yet. So I'm taking Find Your Love, and we're gonna be creating the red stripes, because you know that the whole thing is already white, so we're not gonna be bothering with white stripes. It's already there. See, this is how you shortcut some nail art. Shortcuts. If you use a shortcut to get home, and that's important, you need to use a shortcut to get to the end of this nail, because that's also important. Yes. So I do these outlines, right? I think I'm gonna do 3 stripes, 3 red stripes. And then once I'm satisfied, and let me tell y'all how this liner brush, so many things were acting up, like they don't know that I was late. Anyway, so I'm gonna start filling in these colors. Now I top coated this with matte top coat, but for some reason this gel paint was pulling away from the line. So I don't know what's going on, but I cured this for a full 60 seconds. I did 2 coats. So now I'm gonna be adding some stars. Now here's an easy way to draw stars. Get your dotting tool, dip it in whatever white you're using, boom. Then get your detail brush and pull out little lines from the corners where the star is supposed to be. And to keep it uniformed, just do it on each of the circles. Like what you do on one circle, bam. Do it on the other circle. You feel me? Okay, I'm pulling out from the right, bam. I'm gonna pull up from the right on the other one. Pulling from the left on the other one. And this is how you place each one of those stems of your star. And then once you have the 5 stems, you then just start connecting it just a bit more, pulling a little bit more paint to it, curving it off just a little bit so you can actually start forming your star. And this is how I do stars. It's the easiest way. Once that's one and done, you cure in the lab. Full seconds, go top coat this bad boy, be done with it. What am I doing in this corner? Oh, I made some balloons, and I'm writing happy And then July, I'm sure it's happy 4th of July, but I wrote happy July 4th of. You know what? I'm late. So these are balloons. But the way I set them up on the nail, they look like balloons. But anyway, we're getting to the fun part. We're gonna start constructing this bad boy with all this 3D. Okay, so I'm putting some gel, some gem gel, and I'm putting the rim of that hat right there, curing it for full 60 seconds, adding a little bit more, boom, putting in the top part of the hat, curing that for full 60 seconds. I added that bit off camera because I decided that at some point I was gonna leave the balloons out. But anyway, I added a rhinestone, connected them to each other, boom, and now I'm using that little brush to tuck the top coat just under it because I want everything to stay matte. And guys, that is the end of the nail art. We did some 3D work with some polygel. What's up? We did that, you and me. We did that, but I feel like all y'all gonna leave me when I'm late. Anyway, top coating time means end of the video. Happy 4th of July. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look forward to the product list below. It might be late, but it's coming. I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. To my new subscribers, my OGs, happy 4th of July, America. I love y'all and promise to see y'all in the next one. Bye.